What's it like to own a luxury home in one of the most livable small cities in the US? Hi everybody, I'm Maggie. Today I'm in Sammamish, one of the most livable small cities in the east side of Seattle. So this whole community is nestled in a very safe and private area. The name of the community is called Camden Park. It has a lot of beautiful homes that was built around 1990s, a lot of greenery, safe and very private. And it's conveniently located. It's only 20 minutes away to Bellevue downtown. And if you want to commute to Microsoft, it's only 10 to 15 minutes away. And the school district here is Lake Washington School District. It's one of the best in Greater Seattle. The middle school and high school has a test score 10 out of 10. So this home that we are going to show you today is built in 1990. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and the square footage is 4,000 square feet. And it actually sits on 0.35 acre of a very flat lot. There is greenery behind, very private and safe. Let's go and check it out. Welcome to this luxurious home. So coming through this beautifully designed French door, there's a high ceiling. You come into the house, great natural light and a chandelier in the focal point. And then on the right-hand side, this is, a typical home layout that's built in 1990s, right? You always have a living room by the front door. And this living room has 2-level high ceiling and beautifully designed Victoria style windows on both sides. So great natural light, very luxurious. And I really like this big mirror, it adds more natural light in this home. And coming through this way, so this is their main living area. Here is a breakfast area. You can put a small table here, and then through the patio door, we'll take a look at the backyard later. But on the right-hand side, I want to show you the family room first. For this kind of home, they always have 2 rooms, a living room and a family room. And the family room is mainly for, watching TV and for a small get-together or just for the family members to hang out. And this is a very cozy space, 9 feet ceiling height, great natural light, and you can actually see the beautiful view in the backyard. And then let me show you the kitchen. So this home was built in 1998, but it does have some new renovations, and the kitchen is one of it. This is new cabinet and then quartz countertop, so white kitchen plus a kind of a neutral colored backsplash. And all the appliances are new, so it is a move-in ready condition for all the buyers. And from the kitchen, there is a little hallway, and that connects to the dining area. And this is like a little bar area where you can prepare all your food before you put it on the table. And here is the formal dining place. So this is actually on the left-hand side when you come in through the front door. This is the room. It is a great size. You can easily fit in like 8 to 12 guests here. Great window, and what I like about the location of this home is actually in front of it is a community area. So it's green area, very open space. So it's great view from this dining room. And there's another room on the first floor. So here is the office area. This is again a French door coming through, and all the closets here are built in. So it was designed for an office, but there is also a full bath that is right in front of this office in the hallway. So if you do want to have a guest that wants to sleep in this room, you can. And there's a patio door that connects to the backyard. Let me show you the backyard real quick. So the backyard is absolutely the selling point of this home. It is 0.35 acre, very flat, fully fenced, and then greenery at the back, great privacy, and very safe. So this is a place that I think it was from the previous owner. If you want to use it, you can put a new coat of paint and it will shine just like new. And here is a cabana that I want to show you. I know there are a lot of newer homes that have a covered patio. Of course, this kind of home that was built before 2000 doesn't have it, but it does have a huge backyard where you can have a cabana like this, and you can still enjoy the barbecue, family get-together, and enjoy the great weather in the summer in Seattle. And this is the first floor, and we're going to show you the second floor. Before I do that, I want to say, a lot of luxury homes have 2 sets of staircases, and this is one of them. So this is the main staircase that connects from the first floor to the second floor, and it's right in front of the big front door. And the other set is actually in front of that office that I showed you. So if you do work in the office and want to go to the second floor to your bedroom, that's really convenient. Let's go check out the top floor. So on the second floor, there are 4 bedrooms and a bonus room, 2 bathrooms. So this is the primary. Again, French door, and then you're coming through very bright. The ceiling height is between 8.5 to 9. So it's quite spacious and has good lightings. And then what I like about this primary bedroom is actually you can look at the view of all the greenery at the back. Very private, very quiet. And here is the primary bathroom. So a lot of times, in the homes that was built in 1990s, the primary bathroom is mostly the brightest room in this house. And this is one of them as well, because there is a huge skylight and big windows by the tub. So you have your 5-piece bathroom, 2 sink, the bathtub, the shower room, and the toilet on the side. Of course, it also has a walk-in closet, so very practical as well. So on the other side, there is also a bonus room. So this bonus room, I think, is quite spacious. Again, French door coming in, higher ceiling height, good lighting, great natural light as well. So you can make the room as a media room or a playroom. So again, you can actually look at the view of the community playground on the other side. So great view from this room as well. So after looking at this home, I live in one of these kind of homes. So I really love the layout, the natural light, the high ceiling height of this home. And of course, the biggest selling point again is the 0.35, very flat lot, very private backyard. And at the front, you can actually enjoy the view of the community park. And the home has one of the best school district resources in Greater Seattle area. We're going to put this home on the market this weekend. The price is $2.2 million. We're going to have several open houses. So if you're interested, come and take a look. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.